The project is aims at increasing the mobility of our credit station officers. Station officers, you will be moving to those places cheaply. Hata kama ni bila juu, kama ni vizuri, in exchange, extension service delivery architect, all architect entrepreneurs, leading farmers, community-based facilitators, sub-county technical teams will be expected to coordinate the extension of technology, innovation, management practices to spearhead adoption and the contribution towards increased value chain activity. It is important to note that the project is a 5-year initiative, which became effective in September 2022 and will come to an end in 2027. The project's development objectives is to increase market participation and value addition for targeted farmers in selected value chain in project areas across 33 implementing counties. Out with agricultural assets or service under the project, of which at least 50% are female. Established community-driven development committees are more CDCCs, made up of 11 members that comprises of 7 CDCCs members, 3 social accountability, integrity committee members, and 1 ex-officio member per ward. Installed in those institutions and help with supply of clean water. The program is also supporting the following projects: protection of water springs, water schemes, boreholes, establishment of tree nurseries, tree planting, soil amendment, and supporting organized farmer groups and solarization.